When I tell y'all this pink drink hit, I ain't had one in so long. It's so good. Good morning, y'all. So we finally made it to Vegas after 6 hours of driving yesterday. I'm so exhausted. We got on the road at like 3:30 after we switched out the rental car, and we didn't get to Vegas until 9:30. So that's like 6 hours. The traffic in LA is brutal. When I tell you, like, I was over it. Like, literally, it went from a 4-hour drive to a 6.5-hour drive. Like, I was over it. But we did make it to Vegas. Nothing really went as planned yesterday because, like I said, we had to trade in the rental car. So we plan on really doing everything today, like going to 7 Magic Mountains. We're supposed to be going ATV riding today as well. So right now I'm just at Target trying to get us some little things that we need for the hotel. And then I'm probably going to get some Starbucks just to get something in my stomach before we go riding the ATVs. We're going to just walk the strip, probably do a little bit of shopping, and yeah, take some really good pictures. So this hotel is nicer. We're staying at the Plaza Hotel. This one is nicer than the one that was in LA. The only thing I don't like is at the casinos, like, they let you smoke cigarettes, and I hate that smell. Like, I hate the smell of cigarettes. So that's the only thing. But I think that's probably at every casino hotel. When you walk downstairs, you're gonna smell cigarette smoke. So that's the only thing that I don't like about it. But other than that, it's nicer. It does not have a full-length mirror at this one either, so I may have to just pull out my tripod to get some full-length outfits. So yeah, like I said, I'll check back in with y'all once either I leave Target or once we leave to go to the ATVs.
How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and a thing. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got pride, all so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. Slide, yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide.
What's up, y'all? So we're just making it back from sand buggy ATV riding. If I had to give them a review, it would definitely be a 10 out of 10. Like, we had a blast. It was so much fun. They were very professional, very accommodating. We had to wait like maybe 45 minutes for another group to come. And while we were waiting, they let us get on the go-kart. So that was really fun. We weren't expecting to do that. So yeah, we just made it back here. From there, I'm just getting ready because we're about to go to the Forum at Caesar Palace. They have like malls and shops in there and stuff. So we're about to do that. And then we're gonna probably just go find us something to eat. Then, I don't know, we're just gonna walk the strip. So yeah, once we get to the mall, I know they have like a H&M, and if you know me, you know like H&M is probably one of my like all-time favorite stores. So everywhere I go, I'm going to find an H&M somewhere. So yeah, we're gonna go to H&M, go get us some food, and then yeah, we'll probably go out to eat somewhere tonight, somewhere fancy, to end off our vacation. But I'm not sure where we're gonna go yet. We may go to the Vanderpump Cocktail Garden. They have some really good scenic scenery for us to take pictures and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do that probably tonight, and yeah, head back to LA tomorrow so that we could get on our flight.
If we on on the run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same way, you the same way. You know I'll be down if this with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, going up late, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? Put the top down, screaming money anything. Hit me up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we going so live. Let me wanna go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product of my hair. I just put some like beachy crimp waves in it. This is going to be the crimper that I use. It's called Bedhead's Wave Artist. Looks like this. I'll link it down below. I got it from Amazon. If y'all want to check it out, I'll just link it below. But yeah, this is the finished product. So cute. I don't think I'm going to do any makeup today because we're supposed to be going out tonight, so I'll just save that beat for tonight. I'm gonna just have a fresh face. I put some sunscreen on. I use Black Girl sunscreen. I got it from Target. Make sure that you're wearing your sunscreen every single day. This is really good, very inexpensive. I'll also link this.
I'm outstanding, so I stand out. Got more babes than a bathhouse. Top gun on my Tom Cruise. Play for keeps and I don't lose. You more than love it cause I'm cool as a breeze. So pick a poison, yeah, I got what you need. Nonchalant, got the green on rotation on night. We gon' keep it psychedelic like a catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky, walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to love that wait up. Don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. I know it hurts sometimes.
Good morning, y'all. So this is our last day in Vegas. We're headed back to LA today to catch our flight home. I know I said we was going to 7 Magic Mountains like 15 times already, but we actually going today. We're about to get some breakfast and then check out of the hotel, and then we're gonna head to 7 Magic Mountains before we go back to LA because it's on the way. So yeah, once we get there, then I'll check back in with y'all.
Well, we got it, I'm good at pressure. You'll only be if I take it. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Even let me around my desk.
Yeah, this food is really good, but the portions are huge. Like, I got this big behind pancake, and I'm not even gonna be able to finish it. That pancake is huge.
Baby, you can understand it.
All right, y'all, so we just made it to 7 Magic Mountains. It is so beautiful. So we're about to take some pictures. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all once we leave here because we'll be traveling back to LA.
I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking all this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3.
What's up, y'all? So we made it back to LA safely. We got food from the Soul Food Shack. The food was really good. I give it like an 8.5 out of 10. The only reason why it's not a 10 out of 10 because they gave us some cornbread that wasn't really that good. But right now we're just at the airport waiting for our flight home. So this is going to go ahead and conclude this vlog. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you know when I'm uploading. And also follow me on Instagram at alleyeson_Gigi. And I will see you guys in my next video.